Hello friends, today we are creating our new project. This is my first video on Python. Here we are using PyCharm. Okay, so we will be creating our new project. We're starting by this. We are creating our new project. Let's start by creating new project. Let me create new project. Let's name it as S1. Okay. After creating new project, this particular screen will launch a new virtual environment. It's not necessary to every time create a new project. You can create n number of programs in a single project. It depends on the requirement of your project, how many programs you need to create. Okay, so see, this folder has been created. Now I'm going to create Python file. I will name it as prog1. You can give any name according to your abbreviation. I'm calling program1 as prog1 and py is the extension over here. I'll press enter. See, this new file is created over here. Now I'm writing my first program to print a string called hello world. Print. This is the print function used over here, and I will use single quotes. You can use single quotes and double quotes, anything over here. Yes, this is my first program. Now, how to run it? You go to the screen and right click over here. You will see so many options. So just go to run prog1. This is the output. This is the console over here, and you will see the output over here. It is printing hello world. Okay, thank you.